The current time is 9:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA. All has... The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Love County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, western Carter County in southern Oklahoma, west central Murray County in southern Oklahoma, east central Clay County in northern Texas, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Loco to 5 miles southwest of Ringling to 4 miles west of Terrell, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lone Grove, Hedden, Wilson, Ringling, Ryan, Terrell, Loco, Rattlett City, Leon, Graham, Pooville, Robitom, Bernaville, Grady, Milo, Oscar, Cornish, Fox, Courtney, and Petersburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.